Once upon a time, there lived a little girl in a village. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood because she always wore a bright red cape. One day, her mother gave her a basket of food and said, "Take this to your grandmother, but stay on the path and do not talk to strangers." Little Red Riding Hood nodded and smiled. "Yes, mother," she said. Then she skipped happily into the forest. As Little Red Riding Hood walked through the forest, she hummed a tune, looked at the trees, and watched the birds singing songs. Suddenly, a big bad wolf stepped out from behind a tree. "Where are you going, little girl?" he asked with a smile. "I'm going to my grandmother's house," she answered. The wolf had a plan. He pointed to a patch of beautiful flowers and said, "Why don't you pick some more flowers for your grandmother?" Little Red Riding Hood thought it was a good idea. While she collected flowers, the wolf ran to Grandma's house. The wolf arrived at Grandma's house and knocked on the door. "Who is it?" Grandma asked. The wolf pretended to be Little Red Riding Hood and said, "It's me, Grandma." Grandma opened the door, and the wolf jumped inside. He hid her in the closet and put on her nightgown and bonnet. Then he climbed into her bed and waited. A little while later, Little Red Riding Hood arrived at Grandma's house. She stepped inside and looked at her grandmother. Something seemed strange. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have," she said. "The better to see you with, my dear," the wolf replied. "Grandmother, what big ears you have," she said. "The better to hear you with, my dear," the wolf answered. "Grandmother, what big teeth you have," she said. "The better to eat you with," shouted the wolf, and he jumped out of bed. Little Red Riding Hood screamed for help. A woodcutter who worked nearby heard her and rushed inside. He grabbed his axe and shouted, "Get away from them, wolf." The wolf panicked and ran out of the house. The woodcutter opened the closet and helped Grandma out. They all hugged each other. "I will never talk to strangers again," the little girl said. Her grandmother smiled and said, "That's a good lesson, my dear." Then Little Red Riding Hood went home safely and told her mother everything. From that day on, she always followed the rules, and they all lived happily ever after.
Test yourself. Great job, everyone! Please tell us your score in the comments below. Thanks for watching.